children, here is a question from chapter Refraction and Dispersion of Light of class 8 and page number 194. Question number 5. The question is, we are given a convex lens of focal length 20 cm. Draw ray diagrams to show the nature, size and position of the image formed when the object is kept at 55 cm, 35 cm and 15 cm. These three different places where we will keep the object one by one, and we have to write the nature, size and position of the image. Question, very simple question. Main thing, that is focal length is given. So we will do questions one by one. First do when the object is at 55 cm. F is given, this is 20 cm. So 2F or center of curvature will be 2 into 20, that is 40 cm. Now it is clear that object distance is how much? It is 55 cm. Now it is clear that object is placed beyond the center of curvature, that is, this is the lens, this is the principal axis, this is optical center, F1, F2, 2F1 or 2F2. Focal length is 20, 2F is 40 and object is beyond 2F. Object distance is 55 cm and center of curvature 40 cm, means object is beyond center of curvature, and when object is beyond center of curvature, what is the nature, size and position of the image? You will see that light ray will come parallel to principal axis, it will pass through the focus like that, and one ray will pass through the pole of the lens. This will be the position of the image. So we will write position is what? Between Fn or F1 and 2F1. Size smaller, nature real and inverted. So this is the nature of the image when focal length is given. Focal length is given, which it becomes easy. Now 35 cm, that is object distance is, when object distance is 35 cm, focal length is given, F is 20 cm, 2F will be 40 cm. So from the given data, it is clear that object distance 35 and 2F 40, means where the object is kept, this is the ray diagram. This is F1, this is 2F1, this is O, F2, F2, this is F2, F2 and this is F1. Now where will be the object? Object will be between f and 2f. Since 2f is 40 centimeter and object distance is 35, so object will be in this area. So ray will be passes through the focus. And second, the ray will pass through optical center and it will pass like that. Means where will be the image? It is beyond, that is position beyond 2f, size larger, and nature again real and inverted. So this is the characteristic of image when object is at 35 centimeter. The last object distance is 15 centimeter. Object distance is 15 centimeter. F is given, focal length 20 centimeter. Means where is the object is? This is F1 and this is F2. Object is 15 centimeter. Means it is between O and F, like that, in this area. What becomes when object is in between F and O? A virtual image is formed. That is like that. So what will be the nature? First, position becomes same side of the object, and size is larger. Nature, this nature will be different. Nature will be virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. So we have seen when object is kept at different distances, the image will be formed like that. One important thing, focal length is given. When focal length is given, it becomes easy. In first case, object is placed at 55 centimeter. Focal length is given 20 centimeter. Center of curvature 40 centimeter. This is twice of the focus, so this becomes 40. Object 55 means object is placed beyond center of curvature, and we know that when the object is placed beyond center of curvature, we know the characteristic of image. Secondly, it is at 35 centimeter, means it is between F and 2F, that is focus, and between focus and center of curvature. So we will use the characteristic of the image when it is kept between F and 2F, like that. And in this case, object distance is 15 centimeter, means object is between F and O, that is between focus and optical center. Since focus is 20 centimeter and object distance is 15 centimeter, means object will be between optical center and focus. So this is the special case of convex lens, and when the object is placed between optical center and focus, it forms virtual and erect image, and larger image also. So this is the question number 5 of page number 194, the chapter refraction and dispersion of light. And one more question will be solved only in place of convex lens. They are given concave lens. So we know that in concave lens, wherever the object is placed, image formed between focus and optical center, and this image is imaginary, erect and virtual, and also smaller in size. So that question is very simple. So this is the explanation of this question. Hope you have understood that.